Hello! Finally having a picnic by myself. I've always wanted to do this. Wonder why I didn't do it. But here I am. And kakatapos lang ng Theater 12 namin. And I performed my best. I forgot to ask for it to ask na may mag-take ng video, but I guess it was lovely. Kasi I gave my best. I gave who I am. And ayun. I really love performing. 3 years na dito sa 3 years na ako dito sa Manila, and I never once thought about it. And I'm glad I joined Theater 131 and Theater 12. Finally remembered how I loved acting and performing. I think this fight, this falling out with my best friend, Flint, I miss him. It's a good thing. I just realized that I wasn't being myself. I wasn't doing the things I love. I was dependent on someone. When I know for a fact, I love doing things alone. Like this. My long-awaited picnic date with myself. This is my gift for myself. I think I'm deviating from my original script, so I was just gonna take a video of myself eating and enjoying the space. Look at the food. I bought this. I forgot the name. Yung mga stalls sa harap ng Palma Hall. And ayun. Takoyaki. Lemonade. Okay, advertising. Dante's Street Food ito. Takoyaki something. I should be mindful of the names of what I eat, like the brands. When they put effort on it, it's kind of disrespectful of me to not even remember. So yeah, I look like a goddess. I love my outfit, and kanina naka-green ako na. They loved it as well. They compliment. I get a lot of compliments from girls that they love my outfit. I should be vocal about complimenting others too. Makes me feel good. I'd like to make others feel good as well. More confident. Now, let's eat. I'm starting to practice presenting myself with grace. Because I'm gonna admit, I act dumb. Because I'm doing it, I'm practicing it constantly. I'm becoming it. And it's not good. I think this class, Theater 12 class, is good kasi it's like we're diving into ourselves. who we really are, who I really am, or who I forgot. Who is it? Who am I that I have forgotten? I love my performance, and I hope they loved it too. Another regret. I didn't ask for a video, pero we talked. No, Arlo said we were gonna have a take two, but let's see. Hello there, Aunt. Please do not hurt me. I'm already coming from a place of hurt. Come on. You can go to my bag. That's it. No, not here, not here. There. No. There you go. I don't know if you can see this buddy. Not me. Okay, let's make space for each other. I'm supposed to eat. Wala pala akong space na. I have to delete stuff. Or apps. Or pictures. Limutan ko i-transfer. So if the video is gonna stop out of nowhere, that means I ran out of space. I'd like to talk about a lot of stuff more, but my head was clouded again this morning, so I forgot to free up space. I really love lemonade. It's like, I think I found my favorite drink. Yeah, I love lemonade. When I'm always asked what's my favorite drink, I always answer water. I never thought about lemonade. It's what I always buy. It's what I love drinking. I never even thought of it, and I just realized it now. I think hindi ko alam, but I'm kind of thankful na nag-away kami. But I don't like what I said. I don't know why. Di ko alam ba't ako na-expect ng something in return. I was doing it unconditionally. Just wanted to help him. Oh my gosh, we have a cat companion here. Come here. Not the food, dear. Hindi ako nakadala ng food for you, but oh my gosh, I always wanted to bond with a cat. I miss. Yes, I am attracting good things now. Very, very tiny talaga lahat. Yung class ko sa Theater 12, it's about acting. Like discovering self, acting by through discovering ourselves. That's good. Wait lang, don't go away. No, not my hot dog. I'm gonna give you later, okay? Dito ka muna. Wait. Wait a minute. Tinapay ba gusto mo? I think you want the Hungarian sausage. Dito ka sa akin. Come here. Yes. Ito. Ito, para makita ka sa video. Eat together, alright? Ay, you don't like the hug? Okay. So big. It's so big. Hanapan niyo si Mimi. Hindi makita sa video. There you go. Uy. You ate leaves. Such a cutie. Hirapan kami. Sorry. Look. I shouldn't be giving you this. Should have like brought what do you call it? Cat food. I don't think you like that. Thank you for keeping me company, Ning. I was perfectly fine by myself, but I appreciate your presence. Hello. Ning? Did something get stuck? Ito yung laman lang pala. I'm so sorry. I knew better than to give you that. Dapat itan ko muna. Ito na to. Oh my gosh. Beth? Can I get it for you? I believe in you, Ming. Go. We have to believe in ourselves. Very calico cat. I made a mistake. I shouldn't have done that. Hungarian sausage, cats. No. Not a good combination. May chopstick ako dito. Let me help you with that. Me? Ano na? Ano na? Yan. I have that instinct. Sorry, Ming. I'll make sure to like maliitin before ibigay sa'yo. Is that good enough? Inay-inay lang. It's okay. I share my food. I love sharing. I love giving people food. Especially if niluto ko or prepare ko. And hearing about them. Loving it. Mm. Mm-hmm. Ito ka. Ayun o. Ito. I think that's enough, Ming. I'll be sure to bring cat food late next time. I have a picnic here again. Maybe you like bonito flakes. Yes. Bonito flakes is fish? Was it fish? Takoyaki. Wait namin. Sumabala mo na yun. Okay. Tutok ako sa self ko kanina pa eh. Ito kami. Come here. Oh. Here, here. Here, here. Ming. Ming. Get you. You're so demanding. I like that. I should be like that as well. Authoritative. I'm gonna practice that. I've spent my life silencing myself, pleasing other people. Now I'm gonna please myself. Excuse me. Nag-warn niya siya sa... Ikaw, alam mo talaga weakness ko kayo. Alam din ni Flynn. Ibay. Hindi na yat ako before na I prefer cats than dogs. I guess it shows. I can see it when you're feeling low. You can't hide that from me. You're no status quo, calico, so I keep trying to be. 'Cause you're more than that. You're my doggish cat. I wish you could see the you I see. I say, if you bark, celebrate it. Make your mark, serenade it. Noah's Ark should have had a cat like you. And if what you are is a strange you, doesn't mean you should change you. Only means you should change your point of view. Hey feline, you fetch just fine. To thine own self be true. Your bow wows, the cat's meow. It's how I know you're you. You don't need the bows or tiara. With your woes, sayonara. Crust your nose, 'cause it knows the way to go. When you chase your tail, you're enchanting. Spirits sail when you're panting. When you wail, you're a rover Romeo. There is not one hair of you that I would rearrange. I love you the way you are, and that will never change. That will never change. That's my girl. Of course, a male calico cat is very rare. I need to hit my protein. But I don't think this Hungarian is enough for that. So I'm gonna buy lots of eggs. Maybe try creatinine. Creatine ba? Hindi, creatinine. And ano yun? Protein shake. But I don't really like sweets, so I don't know if I will push through with that. Wala na. O karon Bigay ko tayo ito if gusto mo pa. Ah. So, gano'n na. I knew it. I knew it. This was continuation of my brunch. Kasi I ate like a whole cucumber kanina. It was that thick, this long. I ate it like an apple. I like doing that. The cucumber or tomato. Now Miming is gonna find another target. Just kidding. I know you like that. Nakate? Look at it. If they raise their backside like this, it means they love it. And like steady, it's moving, they're annoyed. If not, they love it. That's your sign. Cat psychology. Look at that. She doesn't like that it's not being touched. Bye, Ming. Thank you for your company. She's a friendly one. Gonna go to another picnic. A group picnic. I'm a solo picnic. What? Turn. Yeah, like a solo picnic date. Why? We have never asked what they do on picnic, like what they learned from it. I'm gonna ask it. When you finally get to talk, settle things down. I bought this. I saw it and I loved it and I bought it. This one as well. I'm not gonna treat myself as nothing anymore. I am the priority. I'm going to practice discipline. Because not practicing discipline, like just fun, relaxation, it's boring. It's right that getting things handed down for you doesn't feel like you earned it. It doesn't really feel like an accomplishment. That's why I'm going to accept things handed out to me. I'll be thankful for that person for giving it to me, but I know I can give it also to myself. I can give things for myself too. So I'm gonna practice discipline because I want to take care of myself. I want to be better than I am. Yeah, I'm content with who I am, but there's always room for growth. I can always be better than my current self. But I am content. However, growth, it's a non-negotiable. I will pursue growth in my solitude. You know what? I really love my solitude. My head is clearer. It gets so messy, so that scribble, knotted, jumbled when I'm with people. But I have to work my way out of that because I need to interact with people. We're not placed in this world. Like, I'm not alone in this world. There's people around me. People who want to get to know me. People who love me. And I know there's people I'm going to love. I have people I love now. But I feel like I'm not giving them the best version of me, and that feels awful. I'm diagnosing myself. Why I'm the way I am. Why am I not secure? Why do I need constant hugs? Why do I need validation from another person? Why do I need someone's attention? Why do I chase people? Why do I bother people? Why don't I listen? That's my problem. I don't listen. It's like I don't care about other people anymore. I only care about myself. And it's an unhealthy care because it's stagnant. Like I should be doing things, but I'm just there, like sitting, relaxing, letting things come to me. But I always know I want to work on myself, but I never did. And this heartbreak that physically hurts, like, I didn't want to feel this again, but it's happening. But I did this to myself, so I have to be held accountable for it. So I'm trying to pinpoint areas that's toxic, that's not good, and I'm gonna improve them. I'm gonna break the toxic patterns I've made myself into. I'm gonna break out of it. I don't know if I want to post this sa YouTube. Some people might recognize me, but yeah, it's not time to be vulnerable. I should just start. Covering. Do covers. I'll start there. Maybe I'll post this when things work out, or maybe between us, or maybe not. I'm slowly accepting what I did. It's really bad. How could I do that to him? Yeah, it happened, and whatever happens now, what I need to do is take a deep breath and let it be. Let it be. Let it hurt, or let it rejoice. I don't know what's gonna happen. You just have to be in the moment. Like this. I should create moments like this with myself. It's when I'm most alive. Sent me this one photo. Why is happiness so elusive? It's because we try to look at it in the future instead of now. Maybe that's what I'm not doing. No, that's what I was really doing. I'm not cherishing my time for myself. I'm not winding down and consuming mindlessly. But yeah, we're finally going back on track, because we got a really long deviation from where we really wanna go. We got lost, and that's fine. You could always come back to the path that you have always wanted to go to. And this deviation hurt. It hurt people. Hurt yourself. But we learn from pain. And it's a reminder that we are alive. Isa po.
Tahu. Sama. Swerte na.
Ay, thank you. Thank you po. Salamat. We got the hook. I think I got this. I always get this after PI 100 class. And yeah. Yesterday, nung Monday din, I had it for breakfast. And I forgot that I haven't eaten anything until later at night na nasa SM ako. And I just bought like the Sunrise Ice Blend in orange. And I haven't even finished it drinking. And then I went home and I forgot about it for a while. And then I drank it. Kasi, like, I was feeling hungry na, kumukulo na yung tiyan ko. And, yeah, I only ate, like, taho. For that day, we had a class. It's amazing how when you're so busy, you forget about hunger. Yeah, I think that's kind of a way to, like, my cravings touch. Like, I'm not gonna deprive myself from it. It's just distract a bit. I know I'm gonna get it. I mean, I can give it to myself. I can hug myself. I know it's different when other people hug you. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. When I see people I know I love, I'm gonna hug them. I'm gonna ask for permission to hug them. Yeah, because I'll never know if they need it. And I always need it. I know myself. I need it. Yeah. My body's fine now. I can do anything I want with it. Yeah. Yeah. I have to be confident. I give great hugs. I'm a great hugger. Yeah. Yeah. I'm having the, what do you call it? Like mga filler stuff. Yeah. Okay, I recognized it, and maybe I could, what do I call it? I could, like, lessen it a bit, tone down, and finally get it off my manners, my way of talking. Yeah. Yes. Pausing is okay. You don't have to say anything. Nothing is fine. I got my additional protein. Have to record and, like, figure out my protein intake, the muscle growth, so that I will be stronger than I am currently. Oh, I see my progress sa gym, and I'm just so happy. I'm so happy about it. Yeah. My class is at 4 p.m. I originally planned on going home, but I figured, why not eat? I guess I saw the stalls outside, and then, like, as I was buying, I thought, like, why don't I go and, like, savor the nature? I didn't think of picnic at first. I just wanted to sit at the bench, and I remembered I have this what do you call that, covering I wore kanina before I revealed this white. Oh my gosh, so happy. I'm overwhelmed with emotion. With joy. I miss this. I miss truly being by myself. Let my thoughts run around. fresh air coming from the trees, the wind caressing my skin. There's butterflies around, circling around. I should do this more often. I could read here. I didn't bring my book. I could read some arts. Yeah, my arts class is 2:30 to 4 p.m. So maybe I could read here, the readings, and answer the warm-up. It's a wonderful day. It's not that hot and it's not that gloomy. It's like perfect day. A perfect day for picnic. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Everything is working out in my favor. Like a cat went to me. The weather is lovely. The wind is so refreshing. And I wore a pretty outfit. I wore a lovely outfit. I have my hat. I went back for it. Oh my god, that was so stressful. But yeah, I have to be more mindful. It's a lesson. Kagabi pa parang so out of my head ako. Like, for example, I was on my pool day, but I so funny. I did assisted dips instead of pull-ups. I just realized like for mga ilang reps here. 3 or 4. Like, sis, it's a pool day. Why do I like hugs? It releases serotonin and oxytocin, I believe. Can I do that to myself? I could do that. I just need to be more flexible and stuff. Oh. I should touch myself more, like, and not that kind of touch, like just touch myself. I haven't been doing that. You have me, I have you. We have each other. Oh, started being gloomy. We'll be off here slowly. I'm just gonna finish drinking this. Consuming, I mean. I'm not caring about calories anymore. I just want to eat clean. I'm trying to eat clean, but I don't know if the hot dog and takoyaki is eating clean, but that was a veggie with octobit, so maybe a bit clean. They was eating fried stuff these past weeks. Yung half na lechon, hindi siya lechon man, fried manok, half na fried manok. I eat it and pair it with kamatis or cabbage. I wanna eat like, yeah. I want something refreshing kind of body. I mean, I could eat fast food or not that often. Not what I want for myself. I have to discipline myself because I love myself. I just I can't believe I haven't been doing this thing. I haven't been disciplined. I'm very far off the woman I want to be. I think it has to do with mindless consumption as well. Like I watch anything, everything, even useless stuff. And then my mind gets corrupted. And then I lash out on people, I lash out on my friends, even to myself. It's funny. No, it's not funny. But it kinda is. Now here I am talking to myself. It's good. It's my way of journaling. I record myself talking with myself. But maybe taking a video is not bad. Look at the view. There's a better view there, but this is what I'm choosing, what I chose. So, letting people sa likod. So that's great. Them advertising dentistry. And Taho ni Manong. Yeah. It's 30 pesos. I think yung mas maliit dito siguro yung 20. Saka may ibang Manong. I have a thing that I should buy Filipino products. Yeah. I'm gonna bring on my next picnic, I'm gonna bring the basket I bought. It's so cute. I'm gonna have another cute outfit. And I'm gonna make sure I have more space so I can talk to myself more, talk to you. To you guys more? I don't know. Am I talking to myself? To you? I don't know who my audience is. I'm just blabbering. I'm just yapping stuff. I wanna yap. Yeah, everything's... Yeah, I'm gonna tell you something. I've been crying. And crying. So exhausting. I even cried like on Monday before the class started. I was crying. Then I should be embarrassed, but I wasn't. Like I didn't care. And then as the class went on, I started feeling okay. And take note, na I was in the front. I was like close to my professor. I am glad he didn't like point it out, or like he didn't ask if I was okay, because I think I'm gonna interrupt the class or like cry more if he asked. I collected myself. I calmed myself. I collected myself. I think yeah, I'm working on compartmentalization. So yeah. But I still cry on public. Like when I ride ikot. Oh my gosh. I don't know. I just don't want to bother them, but I'm not necessarily embarrassed. Like I don't care, but I kinda care that some people would be affected or something. I hope they weren't. Well, people really don't care about other people, I guess. I hope. But when you're pretty, people... Just kidding. Yeah. When you're attractive, people care about you. And that's what I noticed. I get more things. Like, people treat me better when I kinda look my best. When I prep myself and all stuff. I noticed before, like one time I didn't fix myself, like so haggard, and then I could feel there's some kind of shift how people see me or treat me. But you know, I'm not really dressing up for them. I'm dressing up for me. I feel powerful and beautiful when I wear outfits like this. And I love the compliments I get from girls. They get me, they so get me. I'd love for them to like be confident as well, to wear these kind of clothes. It's okay to get people's attention. Before I wanted to get people's attention, but now not really. But it can't be helped kasi I wanna dress up like this. I like myself like this. Yeah, I like myself like this. Cheers from the you won't see me again. I like myself like this. I'm gonna learn to whistle like with melodies. It's kind of cool. I'm starting to get back onto music. Kasi when By Flint introduced AJR, I kinda didn't feel anything. Like in general sa music, I felt empty. I was deep inside suicidal. I wanted to die. I wanted to disappear. But I have to admit, By Flint helped me. Like when I'm with him, like the longer we were together, and I knew about him, his thoughts, his values. I started to not want to die. I haven't thought of suicide for long. Like, for so long. Months. I didn't notice it fading away. I was just living. But I was dependent on him, so it was not a healthy one. And I kind of started, but I stopped it. I started thinking about it again. That day, when nag-away kami, I said those things. But I stopped. I stopped myself. I recognized it. And I won't let everything that happened to us, everything he did for me, to go to waste. Yeah, he doesn't know it. He doesn't know how much he's done for me. My gosh, I'm sorry. I didn't want to burst out into tears, but I'm just so thankful. I'm so thankful for him. So thankful for him that for everything. I didn't even notice it. But yeah, it was good. That was a good thing, but there was a bad thing. I relied on his presence, his hugs, knew he hated it. But when he said he put more effort to it, I took advantage of it. And I asked for more. Now, here we are. I expected more, which I shouldn't have. Parang na-recognize ko na I was doing things for him out of love. I wasn't expecting anything at first, but I saw him mirroring, I don't know, like he's returning it to me. And I started expecting things in return. Because I saw that it's being reciprocated. Like, wasn't one-sided, but it got unhealthy. I thought, I realized it this past day that I'm asking for more. I wasn't content with what he was giving. I wanted more. But yeah, this is good. I don't know how to thank him. I don't want to stop being his friend. I don't want us to not be us anymore. That's why I'm working on myself. Because I'm the problem. I see it now. I see it clearly. When I get attached or like I fall in love, I lose myself. Oh, hi me, you're back. Come here. Gusto mo ba ng taho? Come here. Okay. Alright. I need to compose myself. Some people are watching. Kita niyo ba sa inyo? Wala makita siya. The fog. She saw something. Oh no, don't climb up the tree, Ning. Oh, I don't think you're not gonna be able to get down from that. Mainit na pala yung phone ko. It's been an hour. I've been talking to myself for an hour. So, these chubby cheeks of mine, it's cortisol. So, I'm lessening it kasi I'm trying to lessen the stress, trying to be in tune, and trying to be authentic to myself. Yeah. What did you see? The birds. I'm gonna look at it myself as well. I'm gonna end the video sooner or later. I'm gonna move this out. It's gonna be cute here. Go, Ming. You can get down. Go, go, go. You can do it. Oh, that's my girl. Good job. So good. This is how you call them. This is what I do. I don't know. I don't think it's universal. Come here, come here. Come on, come here. Come here. Come on. Come here. Yeah, I'm forcing her to be with me. This is what they like. They like this so much. Look at their body language. Look at that. She wants more. Look at that. She's raising her butt. This is what they like. This is what you like. Oh, you have babies? I noticed your breasts. Her mammary glands are like for mothers. Pati ba ito mo? You can tell me if you want me to stop. I can't go on with this forever, you know. Yeah? Are you here all the time? I could visit you. Do you have a name? Oh no, you don't have. I'm just gonna call you Ming. That's what I call all the cats. Ming. Oh, she laid down. She got tired massage session. You have to be cops because you show me. Yeah. You're so cute. You're so cute. You can rest there. I'm gonna finish what I'm eating and drinking. I think an ant bit me. Oh. Oh. Oh gosh. Something bit me. It's an ant. Miming and I are gonna rest. Are you pregnant? You're pregnant. Am I mistaken? Ba't ka hinahingan? Are you going to be a mother or are you already a mother? Don't know how to recognize a pregnant. No, you already had a baby. You were just tired. She was just tired with her little massage. Bye! How to be a cat in UP Diliman. There's so much space to roam around with. There's kind people who give you food. You're not gonna be in lack. I like her life. Yeah, you just find someone who you can make love with and then never meet them again, have their babies, and oh my god, that's not what I want. I don't even want to have a baby. I don't. Yeah, I can't imagine myself with someone. I just realized that I'm not ready. I'm not ready, that's why I'm single. I'm not ready. I'm not ready for commitment. I'm not ready for another person to be in my life. Hypothetically forever with a person. No. I want to live with myself. I want to live with myself. Self. In a healthy way, not the toxic and unhealthy way. Like I had constantly trying to force things. Like a hug. Wanting another person's presence, wanting another person's touch. No. That's unhealthy. Like, bitch, you cannot control the other person. Like, they have a life of their own. You have a life of your own. You can do anything to yourself, but you can't like force people to do things for you. They do it because they wanna do it. Like, don't. So dumb. So dumb talaga yan. Like, why were you like? Why did you give like an ultimatum? I have been cringing sa self ko, like what I said, what I did. It's so bad. I'm speechless. I can't say anything about it. It's just that bad. It's the worst. Yeah, alright. Okay, already. It's like 1 hour and 12 minutes already. And I'm gonna finish this and this as well. I hope so. Yeah. I finished stuff. I end what I started, okay? But not maybe like like after the video agad. Maybe later pa siya. Class or after class. Yes. I'm gonna turn off the video kasi puno na. So, thank you guys for having a picnic with me. Or like, thank you myself lang. This is gonna remain for myself, but yeah, liktad pala yung camera, so yeah. I'll look around my view. I'm in UP, katabi ng Sangkan, yung gitna ng itong sa Beta Way ako banda. Yeah, that's Melchor Hall and Palma Hall. Bye. I love myself. I love you. Mwah. Thank you for quality hour and a quality hour with you. Thank you for giving this to yourself. That's all. Let's continue without the video. See.